Let me ask you something. What if I told you that some of the foods you eat every single day, foods you believe are healthy, are actually damaging your gut from the inside? No pain, no warning signs, just silent damage. And the scary part? Millions of Americans eat these foods daily without realizing what they're doing to their digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Stay with me for the next few minutes because these 3 foods may already be on your plate. Before we talk about the foods, let's understand why gut health is so important. Your gut is not just about digestion. Inside your gut live trillions of bacteria, good and bad. These bacteria control digestion, immune system, inflammation, mood and anxiety, weight gain or weight loss. In fact, doctors now call the gut the second brain. So, when your gut is damaged, you feel tired, you feel bloated, you crave sugar, your immunity drops, even your sleep suffers. Now let's talk about the foods quietly destroying it. Food number 1 is something almost every American eats daily: ultra-processed white bread. Toast for breakfast, sandwiches for lunch, burgers for dinner. Here's the problem. Most white bread in the US is made with refined flour, added sugars, preservatives, and artificial conditioners. These ingredients feed bad gut bacteria. When bad bacteria grow, good bacteria die. Gut lining becomes weak, inflammation increases. This leads to gas, bloating, constipation, leaky gut syndrome. And here's the shocking truth. Even whole wheat bread is often not truly whole. Look for bread with 100% whole grain, no added sugar, short ingredient list. Your gut will thank you. Food number 2 is often marketed as healthy: sugary breakfast cereals. They come in bright boxes. They say low fat, fortified with vitamins, heart healthy. But most cereals are basically dessert for breakfast. One bowl can contain more sugar than a donut, refined grains, artificial colors. Sugar is the #1 enemy of gut health. When sugar enters your gut, bad bacteria multiply fast. Good bacteria starve. Yeast overgrowth occurs. This causes cravings, energy crashes, inflammation, mood swings. If you eat cereal daily and feel hungry again in 1 hour, bloated, tired by noon, your gut is already sending warning signs. Better options? Oatmeal, eggs, Greek yogurt, fruit with nuts. Your gut prefers real food. Food number 3 is the most dangerous because it feels harmless: artificial sweeteners. Things like diet soda, sugar-free gum, zero-sugar snacks. People think no sugar means healthy, but science says otherwise. Artificial sweeteners kill good gut bacteria, confuse insulin response, increase sugar cravings. Studies show they can increase bloating, worsen IBS symptoms, raise inflammation. Ironically, they can even lead to weight gain. Your gut doesn't recognize artificial chemicals as food. It reacts by protecting itself through inflammation. If you want sweetness, use small amounts of honey, use fruit, train your taste buds naturally. Your gut loves simplicity. Now here's the good news. Your gut can heal. Start doing these daily. Eat fiber-rich foods. Drink enough water. Reduce sugar. Eat fermented foods. Examples: yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. Also, chew slowly. Avoid late-night heavy meals. Reduce stress. Gut health is not built overnight, but small daily choices make a big difference. Remember this: you don't need expensive supplements. You don't need extreme diets. You just need awareness. Many foods look healthy, but quietly damage your gut. Now you know the truth. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe. This is Healthy Life Care, where we help you live better naturally. See you in the next video.